This is my A plus New York setup. Have a watch. So I'm always looking for the same things on the left hand side of the charts. We say this every single video because it's exactly the same process that we're using. We're looking for a sideways ranging market. Again, there's lots of sideways ranges on the way up here. So when there is loads of sideways ranges that you can play in this move up, what's important is that we don't just try and play a reaction from every single one of these in the future. I know that's how a lot of people trade and they get taken out of trades quite easily. So what I've done is I developed my system so that I could see buy order or sell orders coming into the markets in the future for that added confirmation. So again, left hand side of the charts is always, I'm looking for a sideways ranging market. The initiation out of the sideways range shows the direction. That's the first part of the RAMC model. When we get back into this location in the future, this is where I look for my fractal to play that as a continuation here to the upside. Now, this is happening during New York session, this reaction here, which is really important because then we know that there's likely to be a 30 to 40 pip move happening. So if I've got a 10 pip stop loss, then I can get at least a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 4 out of the market. So I've just drawn that out now. This is the previous sideways range. We can see here in the future as well. This is after a news event here where we get a very strong wick there to the downside. We initiate down, we create the low, we then pull back, we run below that low here, and then I get my entry candle presented here. That's a fractal low at a point of mitigation, again, where we anticipate a turning point from a previous sideways range, manipulation, showing a move in the opposite direction, and then I enter on a candle close here, looking for my 1 to 4 risk to reward, and this tapped my 1 to 4 absolutely perfectly here to the upside as well. Remember I said when we're in session is when typically we're going to see 30 to 40 pip moves. So that's why my take profit is always fixed at 40 pips. So I don't have to do any thinking in the moment. I just have to identify and then focus on flawless execution. This is a trade that I actually took as well last week that ended up playing out for a continuation there to the upside. The fractal highs and fractal lows you can learn inside the NJT mentorship, but the RAMC model you can learn completely for free. If you comment RAMC down below, we will email that over to you right now.